Hello viewers, I welcome you here. In this video I will tell you how to make a rainy text. At the end of this video you will be able to create this yourself. First of all, you need to open one picture. It is foggy rain picture. And next you have to open the picture that you have to insert here. Press Ctrl O, or you can go to File, Open one picture. Now bring this picture here. It does not fit, so press Ctrl T from the keyboard and press Ctrl 0 from the keyboard again to fit this. When it fits, press Enter from the keyboard, and now again press Ctrl 0 from the keyboard to resize this. Now click here, Convert to Smart Object, Filter, Blur, Gaussian Blur, .5 looks okay. Select OK. Change it from normal to overlay. Now select horizontal type tool. Color must be black and write your text here. Fit this the place you like. Go to Filter and select Liquify from here. Select OK. And then select OK. Now from normal change it to overlay. If you want to increase its effect, then press Ctrl J or right click on your text layer and duplicate this layer. OK. This is the effect.